If you want to attract high-value, emotionally intelligent, feminine women, stop trying to impress them and start becoming magnetic. Because women don't just fall for looks. They fall for energy, for presence, for power. And to attract better women, you need to become better yourself. How to attract higher quality women by becoming irresistible. 1. Be more ambitious. Ambition is sexy. Women are drawn to men who are going somewhere, not just where they are now. For example, a man working a 9-to-5 but building a side hustle at night, that's magnetic. A man talking about his 5-year plan with passion, she feels it. 2. Be more audacious. Pray big. Ask her out in a bold way. Speak your mind. Take that risk. Audacity isn't recklessness. It's confidence in motion. High-quality women want men who make moves, not excuses. 3. Be more courageous. Fear is natural, but courage is what you choose in spite of fear. Stand up for what you believe. Speak truthfully. Set boundaries. That's what separates a man from a boy. 4. Be more competent. Want to be respected and desired? Get good at things. Whether it's your career, a skill, or even handling conversations, competence radiates power. Women sense when a man knows what he's doing. 5. Be more decisive. Indecision kills attraction. Don't say, whatever you want. Say, let's go here at 8. I think you'll love it. Decisiveness shows leadership, certainty, and confidence, all irresistible. 6. Be more playful. Serious guys bore her. Playful guys ignite her emotions. Tease her. Joke with her. Bring out her inner child. Playfulness shows that you're comfortable and fun to be around. 7. Be more joyful. Your energy is contagious. Be joyful, not needy. When you genuinely enjoy your life, your hobbies, your path, she'll want to be part of your world. 8. Be more bold. Say what you mean. Own who you are. High-value women love bold men who don't apologize for their existence. Not arrogant, but unapologetically authentic. 9. Be more creative. Don't follow the script. Flip it. Plan unique dates. Say things she's never heard. Dress with style. Creativity shows a man who's not basic. 10. Self-focus. You are the prize. Live like it. Don't orbit around women. Build your mission, your health, your mindset. When your life is full, she's drawn to your gravity. 11. Be more shameless. Shame kills desire. Drop it. Speak your truth. Flirt boldly. Dance badly. Say what you want without filtering it for approval. That's liberating. That's sexy. 12. Be more driven. Comfort zones are graveyards. A driven man wakes up with purpose. He doesn't need a woman to complete him. She's just part of the story he's already writing. 13. Be more daring. Take that risk. Text her. Ask her out. Build that business. Daring men don't wait for life to give them permission. They take the damn shot. 14. Be more relentless. Don't chase women. Chase greatness. Be relentless in self-improvement, in your habits, in your mission. The man who refuses to quit, that man is unforgettable. Part 2. Be less serious. Too serious equals too boring. Add humor. Smile more. Stop treating every interaction like an interview. 2. Be more formal. You're not her boss. You're not her professor. Drop the corporate tone. Be real. Be relatable. That's what builds connection. 3. Be more cautious. Overthinking is a seduction killer. Stop worrying about saying the perfect thing. Take action. Be bold. You'll stand out just by moving while others hesitate. 4. Predictable. Predictable equals forgettable. Surprise her. Be spontaneous. Switch it up. The unexpected creates emotional spikes, and attraction lives in emotion. 5. Self-conscious. If you're too caught up in how you look or sound, she'll sense it. Wow. Confidence isn't about looking perfect or saying all the right things. It's about owning who you are, flaws and all, and being okay with it. That comfort, that's what truly attracts her. Here's the truth. If you want her to be high quality, you have to be high quality. Not fake, not flashy, but bold, ambitious, joyful, creative, and relentless in becoming the best version of yourself. So stop trying to impress women and start becoming a man who impresses himself first. Hope you enjoyed this video, so please like, share, subscribe us. Comment below, which trait are you focusing on this month?